Whether I'm making breaded chicken strips in my Tefal Actifry accessory basket, or breaded drumsticks in my Toshiba toaster oven, or even breaded pan-fried haddock, I always start with the same basic breading recipe for all of these occasions. Allow me to share my all-purpose breading recipe for chicken or fish. Here's a quick look at the ingredients. From right to left, there are seasoned breadcrumbs, panko breadcrumbs to add a bit of crispiness, and oat flour, which can be substituted with any type of flour or cornmeal. The garlic powder is in the unmarked container with salt, ground black pepper, and seasoned salt, all standard fare, until we reach the chicken tikka powder. This is where a substitution can take this basic bread coating mix in any direction you choose. I've even pulverized the remnants left in a large bag of Doritos to produce a cup of crumbs that worked quite nicely. Now I mix it in an old peanut butter jar because it's pour the ingredients in, shake it up, there you go. Alright, so I'm ready to do some chicken drumsticks in my brand new Toshiba stainless steel toaster oven. We're taking drumsticks. I've peeled the skin off them already, and so we're basically just dipping them in olive oil and then in a breadcrumb mixture, placing it on that rack in a manner where I can put it in a little hoochie that I made out of tin foil. I basically took a tin foil pan and cut the ends off it. Anyways, I'll show you that in a minute. Oh yeah, we are doing fine. So there is 8 drumsticks all breaded, ready to go. Now I put this is just an aluminum pan I've cut the ends off of. I'm just going to put it like so. That's on the lower shelf, and I'm going to set it, I'm going to pick my function first. I'm picking convection, that's down at the bottom. The temperature, I'm going to lower to about 350. And then the time, it's actually set at half an hour. I'm going to leave it there. And I can inspect it. I can go any way I want as long as I do a good half hour under the cover. And there it goes. And we're going to see how this performs. 8 chicken drumsticks in the toaster oven. So there they are finished, and they are a beautiful color. I like the way this worked. This ended up being 40 minutes covered and then 20 minutes uncovered on either side. Tonight's supper. This all-purpose bread coating recipe has proven very versatile for use in a variety of ways. And there's lunch. So that's it for today. For now, I will show the recipe for this bread coating mix, and I hope to see you next time.
When stars won't shine for you, and your dreams turn black and blue, on those dark nights you'll be alright, I'll be right there with you. Together we'll see it through. When stars won't shine for you, and your dreams turn black and blue, on those dark nights you'll be alright, I'll be right there with you. Together we'll see it through.
This took about 8 minutes total in the pan. You can hear that beautiful sizzling sound there. And these are delicious.